We would have a presentation by Mr. Saurabh from BlazeMaster. I now welcome Saurabh Chattopadhyay from BlazeMaster to make a product presentation. Saurabh, over to you.
Thank you, Rupesh. I'll be sharing the screen from my end, so just bear with me for a moment. Okay, I've just shared my screen. Can anyone just give me a yes and say that it is visible to you all?
Yeah, make it full. Make it full screen.
Yeah. So okay. I've put it full now. So thank you, Rupesh ji, for calling me, and thank you, FSAI, for giving us this opportunity to interact with such eminent leaders like Warwick Saab. And also, I see a wonderful, 200+ audience waiting to hear Warwick Saab and also the panel discussion. But just between this, just give me 10 minutes, and I will be talking to you about a very interesting product, BlazeMaster, and I'll be talking about modernizing the fire safety systems. As Warwick Saab told, my name is Saurabh, and I'll just take you through the next 10 minutes. I represent BlazeMaster, brought to you by Lubrizol. We at Lubrizol, a Berkshire Hathaway company, have been inventing a lot of advanced materials and advanced chemicals and giving to the world products like CPVC, which was invented by Lubrizol in 1959. We also manufacture a lot of other advanced life sciences products like catheters, a lot of industrial as well as consumer specialty chemicals, and a whole lot of other advanced material. So with CPVC, when I talk about CPVC, we use CPVC as the basic ingredient, and we have 3 very unique offerings for the community. The first one that you see is FlowGuard Plus, which is a plumbing pipe basically. The second product is Corzan, which is industrial and utility water piping. And the third one, the jewel in the crown, is BlazeMaster, the fire protection system. For all, in fact, to listen to fire protection system and listen to decoding the code, I understand you all have joined today, and hope you find the rest of the seminar very interesting. Now, please allow me to take through the 60 years and give you a brief view into the history of CPVC. The year was 1958, when BlazeMaster was, when CPVC was invented by one B.F. Goodrich, which happened to be a Lubrizol company. In the next 20 years, we saw tremendous growth of CPVC in the plumbing foray, and today we cannot actually think of plumbing without CPVC. By 1980s, our scientists and our engineers in the R&D lab were trying to develop CPVC for fire protection system, and by 1984, we introduced BlazeMaster for fire protection application. Again, in the next 30 years, BlazeMaster saw wonderful acceptance and was installed across 60 countries in 5 continents, including India. As we interact today, now let me tell you that CPVC has already been approved. CPVC has already been approved and adopted, not only by BIS, but also by a lot of fire offices across India, Mumbai, Maharashtra, Delhi, Bangalore, Karnataka, you name them, and they have approved CPVC for usage in light hazard applications. Thanks to them, today we have got a choice of a modern fire protection system. Now, I have been using the word modern. Even the title of our presentation is Modernizing Fire Protection System. What exactly is modern? Is it just a buzzword? Is it just a gimmick? Or is it something that I can justify? Can I justify the selection of this adjective which I am defining BlazeMaster with? Let me just try to make an attempt. We say BlazeMaster is a modern firefighting system because it makes your life better. BlazeMaster is also a modern firefighting system because it makes the firefighting system much smarter than the existing ones. And also, BlazeMaster is a modern firefighting system because it makes our world cleaner. Now, for a consultant, it gives him a comfort level. Why? Because BlazeMaster is extensively listed. And it has been, we have seen installation across 60 countries. In fact, I have a statistics which says that till now there is almost 600 million meters of BlazeMasters installed in all the 60 countries. Now, 600 million meters is not a very small number. For installers, for the contractors, who has been facing challenge with steel for ages. Steel is so heavy, it is bulky, you need to weld, you have a higher weight, and also there is a chance of rework in steel. Today, you have got a much lighter pipe. In fact, a meter of 25 dia BlazeMaster pipe will be weighing just less than 400 grams. Please listen to this number, it is 400 grams. Whereas if you take a similar C-class pipe, it will be not weighing, it will be weighing almost 3 kgs. So that is the amount of weight reduction that BlazeMaster can give you. And this can be a very important thing to hasten up the installation today. Now for engineers, BlazeMaster has a Hazen-Williams factor of 150, thus reducing the frictional loss and encouraging more flow of water through the pipe for every cross section. So how does this help us? This helps by giving the designer a chance to downsize the pipe. So these were the advantages that I talked about, lightweight, heat resistant, superior hydraulics, and no corrosion, which indeed makes it advanced and a modern product. In fact, I was talking about one very important parameter, that is the hydraulics. How does the hydraulics actually help? In fact, better hydraulics is the jewel in the crown for BlazeMaster. It helps in reducing the pipe size vis-a-vis steel. What I mean by this is, if you after the hydraulic calculation, there is a big chance that you will be able to use a 25 dia BlazeMaster pipe as against 32 dia for the same building. So this not only helps in saving the cost, but also helps in saving the space, which becomes very important for the apartments, for hotels. These are the areas where BlazeMaster has to be used because these all come under light hazard. So this is a big savings. It also helps in minimizing the scum accumulation. Many times you see when you open a old steel pipe, there's a big amount of scum and dirt in the pipe. So since the pipes are so smooth from inside, the scums generally never accumulate in BlazeMaster for years. So this helps a lot in reduction of the maintenance cost also and the maintenance hassle also. So I do hope in my short talk with you, you have been able to understand why BlazeMaster is a modern firefighting system, and maybe one of the jewel in the crown that I spoke of is the hydraulics. So maybe we'll be hearing more about the hydraulics part in the exciting panel discussion, which will be following very soon. With this, I would like to end my product presentation